Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to change file type on Windows 11 computer. So there are several situations in which changing the file extensions may be required. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this file explorer and then click open. And then once you open up this file explorer, and then you need to click this three dots. So this is this see more settings, and then click. And the next step, then you need to select options and then click, and then pop up this folder option settings. And the next step, then you need to select view tab and then click. So here in view tab, and then at advanced settings, and then you need to find and locate this hide extensions for non-file types dash on. All right. So all you have to do is to uncheck this box of hide extensions for non-file types, and then we need to turn off. Alright, so once you're done here, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change file type on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.